Hello guys and welcome to a new video. If you can't hear me, I'm cooked, but you probably can hear me, I know. So welcome to weekly analysis, calendar week 34. And yeah, this week I did it more consistently my I don't know, my notes, and yeah, so we'll go over them right now. So this was my trading plan for the week, my weekly analysis. So these are the news events I don't trade. I might remove PPI because PPI isn't that impactful for me, but FOMC, NFP and CPI, you saw it on Friday. The how we call it, Jerome Powell spoke, and the price just went to the moon. So that's why I don't trade on days like this. Okay, so yeah, like here I said. But now let's go to the news calendar. Okay, so on Monday and Tuesday I would have been allowed to trade, but yeah, we'll see. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday no trade because of FOMC meeting minutes. Then Thursday no high impact news, so I took a trade, or I was willing to look for a trade. And then on Friday I was also willing. I wasn't willing to take a trade because Jerome Powell was speaking. Then the overview for the week was bullish, and yeah. So let's hop over my trades. So this is this week, that's Monday, I think. Let's see. August 18, yes, Monday. So can I make this bigger? What the fuck, it's lagging. Okay, fuck it. Here. Let's make it big. Okay, so here, this was Monday. The daily time frame here was okay, I'll make it full screen for you guys. Okay, the daily bias was bullish. Like you can see, we broke structure to the upside right here. And yeah. So then the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame was bearish since we broke structure right here to the downside. And the 1 hour was also bearish because we broke structure here, or before even. But here's the break. I always look at the last break of structure, and we haven't got a 1 hour break of structure. So bearish. So I wasn't really looking for any trades, even though I could trade, but my bias was really conflicting, and yeah. So 30 minutes. I looked out for highs or lows from London session or Asian session, but we didn't took out any lows, so that was it for the day. Like you can see, like consolidation right here. I didn't took any trade. So let's go right on to Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I think, oh fuck, what is that? On Tuesday, oh no. Here, August 19. So on Tuesday, I didn't took any trades too, even though I could. But let's hop over it quick together. Okay. Daily bias was bullish. Bruh, I fucked up, but still. Bullish. So yeah, then the 4 hour was bearish. Here I marked out where the 4 hour would break structure to the upside, and yeah. Then on the 1 hour, the bias was bullish too, or the bias was bullish on the 1 hour, and like I wrote down, we had the SMT divergence going on, but it's hard for me to note things like that. Maybe I will start doing like daily recaps. If you're interested in this, just write it it in the comments and I will start doing it if I have time, if I find time. Fuck you, I will do it. Oh, I hope my video doesn't get, how you call it, blocked. And yeah, so I marked out session lows. But unfortunately, we never really took them out. So same shit here. I never really took a trade. Then the next day were news days. So I wasn't really looking for any trade. I still looked at the chart a little bit. Here we took out lows. We got our break of structure. And I think we would have found the entry if I'm not being dumb. But as you guys can see, look at this news candle. So, and actually here we dipped into the weekly 50% of the wick. Like you can see, wait. Here. Oh no, it was on the daily, sorry guys. So here I marked out, what the fuck did I mark out? It was on the 4 hour? No, it was on the weekly. Huh? Oh no, this was equilibrium from the entire move. So 50%, that's why I marked it out. And as you guys can see, we perfectly bounced off that on first day. Like we tapped into it right here, broke session lows, bam. Here I could have actually taken a trade, I think, off of my strategy, like right here. So 5 minute break of structure, right happened right here. Bam. That's our break of structure right here. Then we wait 5 minute break of structure, sweep, we got the sweep, break of structure, and now we just wait for sorry guys, someone came into my room. So yeah, like I said, here we got the break of structure, and the next step would have been a fair value gap. I would have scaled down to the 3 minutes first. Oh, what the fuck. So right here, 3 minutes fair value gap. Here, bam. Fair value gaps are marked out like this. So I would have taken a trade right here. Here would have been my end. My stop is below the previous low, so right here. So really bad risk to reward. But I just want to show you what's possible with my strategy. So yeah. I don't usually overcomplicate trades like that, or I usually don't trade them if I see that the risk to reward is really bad. But because here it's like this entire move here is a massive fair value gap because it's such imbalanced price action, and it usually gets balanced or filled till equilibrium, like it got probably right here. Let's look. Yeah, look guys. It got filled till equilibrium and then it moved up again. That's like a balancing out the market. But that's not my strategy, so that's why I don't trade. But I will look forward to now. I want now only my strategy. So break of structure, fair value gap, entry. You see, the strategy would have worked, would have made some money, but I didn't took a trade because bad risk to reward and news days. So yes, what the fuck are those Asian session candles? What the fuck? No volatility. Okay. So next day is first day. Oh, oopsie. But I didn't took a trade. But let's hop over it on the charts. Like you see guys, I'm not perfect too, bro. I forget it too. Okay, first day. I think we had news, but not very high impact news. So right here, we took out session lows right here, but the market moved up too quick for me to enter. And yeah, so here we got another sweep of that old low. Here I could have theoretically taken trade. Here, break of structure, and then fair value gap dip right here, but as you guys can see, the risk to reward would have been fucking horrible again. If you want to trade that, go for it, but for me it's not really worth it to take a shit setup like that. Look at this, 0.35. Maybe, I think it probably hit the equilibrium again, or nearly, yeah. So it probably filled in this imbalance, and then price thought, oh, let's go up. So yeah, then on Friday, I think I didn't took note on Friday too, because yeah, I was bored. No, because I don't know, I had other stuff to do. I cleaned up my room. Oh shit. So on Friday was the Jerome Powell speaking, and as you can see, that's a new scandal. That's like nearly 1% in 5 minutes. So I'm glad I didn't trade that. But we actually, I don't even see a setup. And if you guys wonder, my strategy also works for London session. Like you can see, London session lows, boom, get taken out. Okay, right here they don't get taken out, but let's just think they get taken, or maybe they get taken out and I just marked it out wrong. But let's just imagine here they get taken out right at the beginning of the session. 5-minute break of structure right here, and now for value gap entry somewhere on the 3-minute. I'll probably find the entry. Yeah, this could have been your entry, and this would have been a okay trade actually. Yeah, fuck it, I don't want to work it out. Okay, that's it for the week. See you.